Hey guys, this is Chris with Off-Leash Louisiana. I got Mr. Rocco here. He's a little bit nervous, a lot of bit nervous actually. He's here for 1 week. He's about almost 3 years of age. We're here to work on recall and stuff like that. He freaks out when he goes in random places and also barks a lot too as well. Pulls a lot when he's walking, so we're gonna work on a lot of things. It's okay, champ. Good boy. It's okay. It's okay. We'll wait till we can see what he can do in 1 week, okay? Good job. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. We can do it.